In this video, I'll show you how you can go ahead and delete your account on Gmail. Really easy and simple. Come here, log into your Google account, and then all you want to do is click on it, and then come here and click on Manage Your Google Account. Okay? Go ahead and click on this. This will bring you your Google account options. You're going to come here to the left-hand panel, click on Data and Privacy right here. All right. Now what you need to do is scroll down. Okay, scroll to data from apps and services you use. There we go. Click on that. And now we see here all the apps and services. So all you need to do is come here and click on delete a Google service. So if I come here, let's go, click on that. And now here you see Gmail, right? I can go ahead and click on this delete icon. Click on this. And now here you need to continue to choose to use another Google service with this account. So what you can do is you can go ahead and enter an email address where they will send you a verification code, right? And you will be able to go ahead and use your other Google services with this account, but your Gmail will be deleted. Okay, so let me go ahead and do that. All right, I've entered in my email and I will send a verification email. Remember, this one cannot be a Gmail, email as well, right? It needs to be something different. Maybe your business email or use another domain. All right, so go ahead and open up this link right here. And there we go. So I'll open this up just to show you. Confirm Gmail deletion. That is okay. Click yes, I want to delete this from my Google account. Then just go ahead and click on delete Gmail. And it's really that easy and simple.